guys, thanks for watching Nerf reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Nerf Elite strongarm. This is a very nice gun indeed. We got it like a month ago or something like that. Maybe a few weeks or a month ago, but it's very nice. And I'm going to be showing you guys some of the cool features of this gun. Alright, so first, this gun has two sling adapters, one on the stock here and one on the little handle here on the bottom. This gun has slam fire, where you can do it very quickly. The barrel rotates as you shoot it, instead of with the Maverick. When you shot the Maverick, or when you cocked the Maverick, the barrel rotated, and that was a bit of a problem. This gun has one tactical rail right here, and another cool feature, like the Maverick, you can pop it out, like so, loading your darts from the side, and you can load in, but I just do it like that. So you have to just cock back, and when you shoot it, the barrel rotates. So now we're going to get to the pros and cons of this gun. First, the pros. It has tactical rails. Maybe they could have another one, maybe up to here, to the sights. It has sling adapters, that's nice. It's gonna have slam fire. It has some sights here. It's pretty good lineup. It has a little open barrel feature where you can go on your darts from the side if you wish, and that's really good. Now for the cons of this gun. The cons, it may like jam sometimes, because with this gun, like a few times sometimes, it would not shoot, because sometimes the darts get stuck for some reason, but I don't know why. Another con is that maybe a little more tactical, but you only have one attachment here, and nothing really wrong with the sling adapters. Alright, so we done with the review. Now we're going to get into the shooting. Hey guys, we're back for the shooting. We have 35 feet lined up, all the way from here down to the door. Let's go. And now I'm going to do slam fire for the rest. Alright, so the first dart you see was a failed dart. It went about 10 feet here, and around here maybe 20 feet at the most, I think. And there's 3 darts over here. This one is at about maybe 30 feet. This one's at maybe 32. This one's at 35, and this one is about maybe 32, 33. So the regular range for this gun is probably this 30 feet. I think that's probably the expected range for this gun. Alright guys, thanks for watching Nerf reviews. I'll see you all next time.